Pledge is a testament to our commitment and values. It binds us together as a community and reminds us of our responsibilities and duties. Let's stand tall, united in the voice of spirit as we recite the pledge. So let me invite Wilson brothers to recite the pledge.
Pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
I love my... All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it.
News time. Let's find our place in this competitive world by knowing the news. So let me invite Ram Charan brother to let us know the news. Happy morning everyone. My name is Ram Charan Reddy. I am from grade Topaz. Today I am saying state news and sport news. State news. Farmers success continue in Telangana. Chili farmers life ends in Gadwal. Sport news. Virat Kohli is not unavailable for Delhi's Ranji Trophy game against Saurashtra. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Good thought is something that we can apply in our daily life to renew ourselves in a better way. So let me invite Chakradhar brother to share the thought.
To respected principals, sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am N. Chakradhar Reddy and I am from grade 8 Topaz. Today's thought of the day. A goal without a plan is just a wish. I repeat it once again. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Thank you.
Let's make our English easy and charming by knowing the daily new word. It makes us understand our surroundings and helps us to express our emotions and feelings. So let me invite Harshavardhan brother to share the new word.
Happy morning everyone. Today word is brought by Harshavardhan of grade Topaz. Word jolly. It means happy. Friends, please spell after me. Jolly. J-O-L-L-Y. Jolly. Thank you.
Having always tough competition will no matter how makes us stronger and better. So let me invite Kirtana to ask us the GK questions.
Happy morning everyone. I am Kirtana from grade 8 Topaz. Here to ask you some GK questions. Question for grade 6. What is the study of heart called? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is cardiology. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. Who is the first female IPS officer?
Kiran Bedi.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Kiran Bedi. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. Who is the queen of women cricket? Sorry, you picked the right answer. Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is Mithal Raj. Question for grade 9. What is the study of brain called? Neurology. Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is neuroscience. Open question for all. Who is the father of biology? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Aristotle. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Let's have a speech on mathematics. So let me invite Vishnu brother to deliver his speech.
Happy morning to everyone. Happy morning to everyone. I am Vishnu of grade Topaz. Today I am here to give a speech about geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with size, shape and measurements. Doing geometry helps a math student to develop his mathematical abilities and precise power of perception. Euclid is a father of mathematics, and I would like to conclude that geometry is a discipline of mathematics. Thank you.
Let's have a speech on science. May I now call upon K. Nandakishore brother to deliver his speech.
Happy morning, everyone. I am Satvik of grade 8 Topaz, brought to you by Speech on Science. Speech. Newton's first law of motion. A body will not start moving until and unless an external force acts on it. Once it is set in motion, it will not stop or change its velocity. Once more, a force acts on it. Objects at rest. When an object is at rest, its velocity and acceleration are equal to 0. The body remains at rest. Objects at motion. When an object is in motion, its velocity is not equal to 0, while acceleration is equal to 0. Thank you.
Success doesn't come by itself. It needs motivation and inspiration. So let me call upon Shaili to give us a motivational speech.
Happy morning, everyone. Myself Shaili. I am from grade 8 Topaz. Today I am here to tell a short speech on self-motivation. We all are really lucky because we have a great life in this world, that too as a human. I strongly believe that nothing is impossible to us. We have the ability to conquer anything if we are well confident about ourselves. We may fail, but if we start motivating ourselves, definitely success will be ours. That is the power of self-motivation. We can't motivate ourselves with the words, but we can do it with the practice that will really inspire us. Many of us depend on others for getting motivation, but no use at all because they are motivating us from their experience. That is not the thing that we need. We must motivate us through our experience, then only we can achieve our goals. We must push ourselves until we reach the goals. If we are self-motivated, we can overcome any tough situations in our life. So always try to be self-motivated. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for giving this opportunity.